Welcome to our YouTube channel. Ever wondered what would happen if you fell into Jupiter? This gas giant hides secrets far beyond imagination. From immense gravity to radiation belts that could fry spacecraft, diving into Jupiter is like falling into the heart of a cosmic beast. Prepare for mind-blowing scientific facts, numbers that defy human limits, and an intense journey no one could survive. Buckle up. The entry shock. As you approach Jupiter, its gravity pulls you at 60 kilometers per second, over 216,000 kilometers per hour. That's nearly 5 times faster than Earth's escape velocity. Hitting the upper atmosphere, you'd experience over 1,000 Gs of deceleration, liquefying bones and organs instantly. Radiation apocalypse. Before even touching the atmosphere, Jupiter's radiation belts, 10 million times stronger than Earth's, will tear through human DNA. A lethal dose is 5 to 10 sieverts. Jupiter blasts over 1,000 sieverts per hour. Death in seconds, no surface to land on. Unlike Earth, Jupiter has no solid ground. It's composed of 90% hydrogen and 10% helium. After 3,000 kilometers of clouds, you enter layers of gas thick enough to crush submarines. You'll never hit ground, you'll just fall endlessly. Crushing pressure zones. Just 250 kilometers into the atmosphere, pressure exceeds 10 Earth atmospheres. Submarines are rated for 3 to 4 atmospheres. At 1,000 kilometers depth, pressure hits 2 million times Earth's. That's enough to crush titanium like paper. Fire from ice. The temperature rises dramatically as you fall. Initially minus 145 degrees Celsius at cloud tops, it reaches 7,000 degrees Celsius deeper, hotter than the sun's surface. Despite being made of gas, Jupiter's core temperature rivals stars, enough to vaporize any spacecraft. The endless fall. It would take 12 to 20 hours to fall to Jupiter's core area, but you'd be crushed and vaporized long before. The atmosphere thickens into supercritical fluid, a bizarre state of matter that's neither gas nor liquid. Metallic hydrogen ocean. At 20,000 kilometers depth, hydrogen becomes metallic. It conducts electricity and behaves like a liquid metal. Jupiter's magnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. This layer is why. You'd be swimming in liquid electricity. Gravity beyond human limits. Jupiter's gravity is 2.5 times Earth's. Your 70-kilogram body would feel like 175 kilograms. That's just on the surface. Deeper in, gravity intensifies with the planet's core density reaching 25 times that of Earth. Magnetic hellscape. Jupiter's magnetosphere spans 7 million kilometers. It produces massive auroras visible from Earth, but also traps deadly ions. Even robotic probes like Galileo were fried. No shielding can protect organic tissue. A core we can't prove. Scientists believe Jupiter may have a solid core, possibly 10 to 15 times Earth's mass, at temperatures exceeding 24,000 degrees Celsius. But it's buried under 40,000 kilometers of extreme conditions. We've never seen it, and likely never will. Gravity assist nightmare. Falling into Jupiter means facing a gravity well so deep, escape becomes nearly impossible. NASA uses Jupiter for slingshot maneuvers, but reverse that and you'd need 60 kilometers per second to escape. No human tech can do that vertically. Sound waves can't travel. Deeper into the gas layers, density is too low to carry sound. You'd fall in silence. But at extreme depths, sound would return, if only your ears weren't liquefied already. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm 16,000 kilometers wide that's been raging for at least 350 years. It's actually about 1.3 times the diameter of Earth. Yeah, just imagine that for a second. Wind speeds here exceed 430 kilometers per hour. Honestly, entering it would shred any spacecraft to atoms. Jupiter's massive gravity even slows time a little compared to Earth. If you spent 1 year near Jupiter's gravity well, a few microseconds more would pass back on Earth. This is real relativistic time dilation, and it's been proven by atomic clocks. Now because Jupiter's interior is mostly fluid, there's no solid floor to land on. You just keep falling, eventually suspended in superheated gas and metal, crushed and vaporized until your atoms dispersed across its layers. And the lightning? Jupiter's bolts are 1,000 times more powerful than those on Earth. They produce radio waves that can be detected from millions of kilometers away. Each bolt can actually span thousands of kilometers across. Plus, Jupiter's magnetosphere is so vast it extends past Saturn's orbit. At 7 million kilometers wide, it's even larger than the Sun. Any object entering it would experience truly intense magnetic and radiation forces. In Jupiter's upper layers, clouds of ammonia and water transition into clouds of hydrogen. Eventually, hydrogen condenses into liquid form and rains down in sheets, something we just don't see on Earth. It's honestly an alien weather system. If you were to fall feet first, Jupiter's immense tidal forces would stretch you lengthwise. This process, called spaghettification, isn't as extreme as what you'd find near a black hole, but it's still significant enough to distort matter, and escape that's basically futile. Once you cross a certain altitude, Jupiter's pull becomes stronger than any propulsion system could overcome. Even if you somehow survive the radiation and heat, escaping would require, well, Star Trek-level technology. Thanks for joining us on this terrifying yet fascinating journey into the heart of Jupiter. If you enjoy science-based cosmic explorations, there's much more to come. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.